Tell me why you're arresting me. 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 Tell me why you're arresting me.
Gicanjama nikiyumiririe muthenya wa umuthi nja wa mbunge ya Senate. Thutha wa uri urari seneta wa kwamũrwo Gloria Orwoba kuhingĩrĩrio nja wa mbunge iyo thutha wa kiama kia UDA kumuhurura madaraka na guthukira mundu ungi.
Ongeni kabisa. Niongeni. Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me?
Orwoba egwikinyitie mbunge-ini ya Senate kuita watho wa igoti wa kwagithia hinya kuhagurwo gwake kumana na mutaratara uria wahuthirirwo akihamurithio ugwikirirwo nganja na guteanirio ni igoti.
And here are my orders. If you have other orders against these orders, then you show them. Lakini maneno ya orders, unless uko na orders from above. You have orders from above. Gari inaingia kazini. Unless you have orders from above. Uko na orders from above. Kujeni munirushie tear gas hapa ndani. Munishoot kwa miguu.
Ni gicanjama kiguciririe muingi uria kwihitukagira nja wa mbunge. Orwoba akienda maabitha borithi mamwikie ngono kana mareke aingire agititiririe ati niwe seneta wa UDA wa GUTHUKIO nginya igoti ritue undu ungi. Gicanjama kiria gicungiririe aikio ngono na gutwarwo thiini wa ceceni ya Central. Oho niamurikite mbunge ya Seneta akiuga ni nyite migwate na ni igomeirwo ni ngukumio hamwe na unyamaria wa andu kimwiri. Ndeto iria augite ikiritwo hinya ni miario ya president iria iriga kwaria.
Who is this person who is even paying for a breakdown to come and illegally move my vehicle and get me out of the entrance as I was trying to access? So you can see, that's why I'm saying, Kenyans, don't be distracted. I am not fighting for a salary. I mean, best be sure about that. I am trying to show you what is happening in this very corrupt house in the Senate. That is what's happening. Yes, I support the president. And by the way, one thing you should understand, those who are saying, oh, this and that, he came out and said the parliament is corrupt. Nobody is calling him crazy. No one has suspended him from his seat. Why was I suspended? Why am I being removed for saying the same thing that the president has come to now say?
Kiama kia UDA kia hamurithirio Orwoba gite-ini kiu kia useneta wa GUTHUKIO makimucukira gukorwo agitiganiria na ate kurugama na kiama. Mateta maria akorirwo akiregana namo akiuga aranyamario tu ni undu wa murugamo wake wa kiuteti.
There is a stranger at the floor of the house. You cannot impeach anyone. Not the Kericho governor, not anyone. You cannot impeach anyone when the house is illegally constituted. And the lawyers of the Kericho governor take notice of this. You are sitting before a kangaroo court. You are not sitting before a legally constituted court that is supposed to look into the matter of impeaching you. That, as it stands now, as long as I am not in with the situation that is a kangaroo court. But I want to thank the bosses of Central Police, because they refused to charge me. They said, you've been brought here, but we don't know why you've been brought here. And they insisted that the people who brought me here must now be the ones to bring the charges. That is why some of the things are taken long. And even that, you can see this issue of orders from above. There's an individual we are pursuing. We are going to put in a complaint at IPOA. We are going to put in and all these things we are documenting is not for the local. We are going to the highest courts in the land.
Hadini Hakameme TV. Jitagwo Maina Kihumo.
Wakisongesha kidogo tuambie wachana.